Protecting the most vulnerable among us, the poor, our children, our senior citizens, persons with disabilities, is our central concern as we go for growth and development and seek to unleash our full potential.
And that's exactly what priority number 5 of the government's strategic priorities for the 2013-2014 budgetary year has been doing, creating an environment in which every Jamaican has equal access to public goods and are empowered to achieve their fullest potential. The government has already begun to take strategic steps to ensure effective social inclusion for all. This includes social protection for the most vulnerable, equal access to housing solutions, and incorporating gender in development.
A unique combination of projects will be developed to provide social and economic protection and security for you and your families.
Already the government has redesigned its Rural Economic Development Initiatives READY program, the Steps to Work program, and the Program of Advancement through Health and Education PATH, giving those at greatest risk first preference. The government has also been making strides in combating child labor through its Tackling Child Labor Through Education TACKLE project. On the legislative side of things, the Disabilities Bill and the revised National Policy for Senior Citizens are to be promulgated this year to protect vulnerable groups. Meanwhile, a bill amending the Trafficking in Persons Act was passed by the House of Representatives on July 9 this year. And to show its unequivocal support to initiatives benefiting the most vulnerable in society, the government increased the budget for social protection programs to $4 billion in the 2013-2014 fiscal year.
Thanks to you, we here can say bye-bye rent, mortgage now.
And the government stands committed to giving even more low-income earning Jamaicans access to owning their own homes. A wide range of housing projects have begun, with more expected to get underway during the fiscal year. They include the Barracks Relocation Project for sugar workers, the First Step Homes Program, the resuscitation of the Inner City Housing Program, National Housing Trust schemes, and projects under the Housing Agency of Jamaica. Having an effective and efficient local government system that's responsive to the needs of the people it serves has long been a goal of the government, and it's closer to becoming a reality within this fiscal year. Local government reform is being fast-tracked and bolstered by several bills. They include the Building Bill and the bill entrenching local government into the Constitution, and there are other ways the government is ensuring an effective local government framework.
The key plank of the reform agenda is the promulgation of the 3 strategic laws: the Local Governance Act, the Local Government Financing and Financial Act, and the Local Government Unified Services and Employment Act.
The government, through the local authorities, has been assisting the most destitute in their respective parishes. Parish infirmaries have been rehabilitated and upgraded. Additionally, all parishes now have a program for the homeless, and a comprehensive model program for the homeless is also being worked on. The poor will also be protected through the collection of property tax. Under the reactivated Property Tax Special Discretionary Relief Program, the poor will get well-needed relief.
The equality of opportunities is the indisputable hallmark of this government.
The administration continues to advance plans to give men and women equal access to state resources. With the national policy for gender equality now a reality, government through the Bureau of Women's Affairs, the BWA, is working on mainstreaming gender in all spheres of public life. This is being done through a public awareness campaign being undertaken by the Jamaica Information Service. In addition, Cabinet is to deliberate on a draft National Strategic Action Plan to eliminate gender-based violence in Jamaica. And the government has also launched the Genderation Initiative, aimed at bringing youth up to date with gender-based violence issues. The government has made providing effective social inclusion for all Jamaicans its mission as it continues to work at making Jamaica the place of choice to live, work, raise families and do business.